Today's webcast is brought to you by Affinia Title, a member of the Title and Closing Coalition. Subprime mortgage loans serviced by banks experience more severe losses than loans serviced by non-banks, and HUD Secretary Julian Castro intends to announce his endorsement of Hillary Clinton for president ahead on Thursday's News Wrap. Residential mortgage subprime loans in foreclosure serviced by banks experience higher losses than loans serviced by non-bank firms in the top 3 foreclosure states over the last 12 months, according to a report from Moody's Investor Service. The report compared loan loss severities from both banks and non-banks entitled in Florida, New York, and New Jersey for the past year. Loss severities on loans serviced by banks were reported to be more than 10% higher than loss severities on non-bank serviced loans in those 3 states. Florida, New York, and New Jersey accounted for 42% of all subprime loans in foreclosure in private label residential mortgage-backed securities. Loans serviced by banks have longer foreclosure timelines, which increase expenses to the RMBS trust and hold the loans, therefore causing higher losses on those loans. Those expenses include principal and interest advances on delinquent loans, tax and insurance payments, attorney fees, and property maintenance costs. HUD Secretary Julian Castro, whose name has been bantered for months as a possible vice presidential candidate, plans to announce his endorsement for former U.S. Secretary of State and Democratic presidential hopeful Hillary Clinton on Thursday. Castro, 41, has been HUD Secretary since July 2014. Prior to becoming the country's top housing official, Castro served as mayor of San Antonio from 2009 to 2014. You can check out these stories and the latest happenings in the industry right here on our site. Thanks for joining us. We'll see you again on Friday. Until then, stay with DSNews.com for your most relevant default servicing news.